What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly Forex Outlook where we go over the market to see the potential opportunities that could be presenting themselves this week, and also where we also go over the trades I took in the previous week. Last week was a really disappointing one. I was able to take 3 trades. I got stopped out on 2. But why I said it was disappointing was those 2 moved, very well in my favor for almost like a 1 to 2, and just came back to stop me out. I think one of the trades, it took me about, I was a trade for about 3 days in profit, and on the 3rd day I think there was news and it just reversed on me and stopped me out. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first trade I took last week was this trade on AUD card. I'm still currently in this trade. The market was about, see what I said last week was disappointing. There's about, let's say, about 8 pips to my take profit, and it just is pulling back right now. I have my stops at break even. That's what this red bar is. My stops are here at break even. So I'm expecting that this week the market continues down. If it doesn't, it comes back and takes me out at break even. That would suck, but it's part of the process. I do not tamper with I do not close my trades before they hit my take profits. So it's all part of my plan. So yeah. But why I took this trade, this market was at an area of interest, a very strong area of interest, and the market was failing. The market was previously in an uptrend, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, and the market was failing to make a higher high off this level. So once when the market came here, tried once, tried twice, I think I even tried to take some buys off of this level. I got stopped out on some. So when the market failed to bounce convincingly off this level again the previous week, I anticipated that the market would want to continue down. Besides, on the daily time frame, I had high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I was anticipating, I'm trying to catch the lower low. So that's the premise for the trade. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see this sort of left head, right shoulder break. And on the 1-hour time frame, I waited for a retest somewhere here, and I took the shorts all the way to the downside. So a pretty straightforward trend following type of setup. And yeah, the next trade was Euro JPY. I was bullish on Euro JPY, and not just me, a lot of traders also took this trade. A lot of people I follow. But I think this trade was super obvious. This buy was super obvious, and I feel like that might have been one of the reasons why it didn't work out. But yeah, the market was definitely bullish. You could see this sort of left head, right shoulder, breakout, retest, rejection off of this level. Also bullish on the weekly time frame. The market made this double bottom, breakout, retest, or anticipating the rejection to continue going up. On the 4-hour time frame, where I got my entry, you see double bottom, you see a clean double bottom and a close above candle. This was where I entered, stop loss below, target above. The market came and pushed over a 1-to-1, almost like a 1-to-2, and just came back and reversed all the way down. I was in this trade for about 3 days. I entered this trade on Tuesday. It stopped me out on Friday. So it was a real pain in the ass on YouTube. It was a real pain. So yeah, but that's just part of the game. While the market was stalling here, there were many opportunities for me to have closed out, but that's not part of my trading plan. And you always need to stick to your trading plan. If this doesn't work, it doesn't mean that the next opportunities that come, if you start tampering with your trading plan now, there are going to be trades that are going to eventually work, and you're going to miss out on those trades because you're not allowing the market play out. The market is either going to go to your take profit or hit your stop loss. If you hit your stop loss, it's part of the game, but always make it a point of duty to allow the market to play out. Once you've done your analysis, stay off the charts and let the market do its thing. I only manage my position when the market has given me 2R. When I hit 2R, I put my stop loss to break even. That's from my system. That's from my own style of trading. If you know you do not have that kind of system, I mean, that's what I've backtested, and that's why I stick to it. So this thing get up to 2R, so I just let it do its thing. Next trade was CHF JPY. The same premise, but I didn't take CHF JPY here. I waited. This was also bullish. Market made low high, higher low, higher high, and came back here to make a potential higher low. The market came here, rejected. You go back to the 4-hour, you see a double bottom, but I didn't get involved with the trade here. I waited for the break and the retest of the neckline of the double bottom, where I got my entries some here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that stop loss below, target above. The market played around for days and came back and stopped me out as well. But like I said, it's part of the game, it's part of trading. Let's go over the opportunities that could potentially be playing out for this week. First on my list, so let me turn this off first. Okay, so first on my list is Eurocard. I'm anticipating bearish movement. The market has broken out of this sideways movement it has been in for quite a while, since like July of this year. The market has been moving just up down, and the market has finally taken out the lows. I'm anticipating market pull back into this level, give us some rejections, then we take shots to the downside. So I'm bearish on Eurocard. I'm also bearish on Euro USD. I've been bearish on Euro USD for quite a while, but it failed to give us. Last week I said I was going to be anticipating the market to pull back into this level to look for shorts, but the market never did that. It just dropped from here, dropped all the way down. So this week I'm still waiting on the same thing. Either the market pulls back, or hold on. Where's my soul? Or it gives us a break and a retest of this level, then I'll be able to take the short. If the market gives us a convincing break and retest of this level, I'll be able to take the short. Next pair on my list is Euro GBP. Euro GBP. I'm actually bullish on Euro GBP, and that's off the monthly time frame. This level has been a very strong level of support since about 2016. The market has been rejecting off this level very strongly. Has rejected all through this period, and the market has not closed below this level since 2016, and the market is here again. On the weekly time frame, the market gave us like a false breakout on the weekly time frame. It made a lower low, lower high, potential lower low, but it has now broken back above inside this region. So I told you guys how I use my weekly time frame. If you have not watched the video, go is on my channel. How I use my weekly time frame to determine my bias. On the daily time frame, you can see the market. This is the false breakout set up here once again. The market broke below. Instead of making a lower high here to continue the bearish momentum, the market has broken above this level. So this week I can see this sort of left head, right shoulder, and now a breakout. this retest wasn't quite the cleanest last week, so this week I'm going to be watching to see if the market can give us a better kind of like rejection around this area where we can take longs all the way to the upside. So I'm bullish on Euro GBP. GBP USD, I'm also bearish on GBP USD. The market has taken out this strong level of previous support, and now I'm just going to be anticipating the market pull back into this level to look for shorts to the downside. NZD USD, same story, but the market is currently retesting this level already. Let's see, go over to the 4 hour to see if there's anything interesting. Yeah, no, I'm going to be waiting for the market to have like a proper bounce of the level retest before looking for shorts. AD USD, I think this is a similar situation. The market is, we're looking for the market to pull back into this level to retest. The market never did that, so right now we're looking at the market to retest this level. However, the market is just giving us like a big retest, so I'm going to be waiting for the market to have like a convincing break below retest for looking for shorts to the downside. USD card, I'm bullish on USD card. I was anticipating a pullback into this level. The market never really did that, it just kept flying. Hopefully this week the market gives us a level 2 for a pullback, so we'll be able to join the trend. Sorry guys. But if it doesn't, we'll just have to take this off our watch list. This market has, reacted strongly from this point here, but it hasn't just given us the pullback that we have been anticipating to join the trend. We're bullish on USD card. Also bullish on USD JPY. However, USD JPY is currently retesting the previous resistance that could potentially use as support. So this week I'm going to be keeping a very close eye on the USD JPY to see how it reacts off of this level. If it gives us some sort of entry confirmation around this level, we're taking longs to continue to trend to the upside. I'm bearish on NZD card. It has broken out of this previous support. It's currently pulling back to our area of value over here. We're expecting rejections for this level to continue the trend to the downside. And see this sort of left head, right shoulder, now breakout, potential retest and rejection to get shorts to the downside. The next pair on my list, USD CHF. USD CHF, the market is currently above this level. So this week, I'm going to be anticipating the market pull back into this area of value, reject, so we can continue the move to the upside. But bullish on USD CHF. AED CHF, I'm actually bearish on AED CHF off of the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame has rejected this level over here. I'm anticipating that the market is going to come back to revisit this monthly level. So on the daily time frame, the market broke above here, retested here, but failed to put in a higher high, and now the market is back below this strong level of support. So when the market is below support, is a high potential it could be used as resistance. I actually got an opportunity to get into this market last week, but it just was not the cleanest. I wanted to see this double top. I wanted a cleaner double top. This mess over here. I decided to just sit on my house and not take the trade. Besides, I'd already taken 2 losses. I'm currently sitting at break even right now. But yeah, I'm bearish on this pair. If the market decides to revisit this level and gives us a cleaner entry confirmation, I'll be looking to get short on AUD-CHF. NZD USD, I'm actually bullish on Euro NZD. I'm actually bullish. The market came and rejected off this support level pretty nicely, but I'm still waiting for the market to take out this 4-hour level of lower high, pull back before looking for entries to the upside. Gold has been bullish for a long period of time. Right now is making a much needed pullback. Gold has just been on a strong bullish riot for quite a while, and we know that the market doesn't just move in a linear fashion. It moves, pulls back, moves. So gold is currently pulling back to potentially this previous level of resistance on the weekly. On the daily time frame, you can see that it's forming like bearish price action. It has broken below this level of this area of value. So this coming week, it could look to take advantage of the bearish momentum. Price push up to this place, we could look to sell all the way to this point before looking for buys to the upside. So for the time being, I'm bearish, short-term bearish on gold. GBP NZD, I'm actually also short-term bearish on GBP NZD. The market has failed to make a higher high off this level. Market has tried here once, twice, 3 times, and kept making lower highs, high, lower high, lower high. So this week, if the market gives me a break, a pullback, I'll be looking for shorts to this level over here. The only reason why I might not take this short is the space from here to here. It doesn't really give us a lot of pips. Oh, about 100. If I get an opportunity, I'm definitely going to be taking it. Because the market is showing us that this level is not strong enough to give us a higher high. So we'll be anticipating the market break retest, come back to the support. So we try to catch the short from here all the way down here. So that's it for the FX pairs. Let's go over to the indices. US oil, I called US oil short in our last video. The market broke this level without giving us a retest. I still have the drawing tool over here. Without giving us a retest of this level, and just went all the way to our target. This week, for us to keep going short on US oil, we actually need to break this strong level of support, retest, before looking for shorts to the downside. However, on the weekly time frame, this support level has been holding for for quite a while, since 2021. Since 2021, the market has failed to violate this level. So we really need to see the market push strongly to the downside, breaking this level and not giving us a fake out just like this, giving us a clean break, clean retest, rejections before drawing the trend to the downside. S&P 500, I'm bullish on S&P 500. The market has finally pulled back to the previous resistance that could potentially be used as support. Right here, we're going to be looking for bearish and bullish rejections to get longs to continue the trend to the upside. NAS 100, we're also bullish on the NAS 100. The market is currently at the previous level of resistance that could potentially use as support. So we're going to be eyeing this level and watching price reaction from this level to see if we can catch buys to continue the trend to the upside. US 30, I'm also bullish on US 30, but the market has not quite gotten to our level yet. So we're going to wait for the market to pull into this level, retest, reject before looking for longs to the upside. Now, the last pair on our list. If you're enjoying this video, if you're enjoying these analysis, do well to hit the subscribe button and share the video with your friends so you can continue to grow the channel, and also so you can also continue to learn and share analysis. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'm always happy to answer your questions. Bitcoin, I've been calling Bitcoin to the upside for quite a long time, all the way from I think this $68,000 coin level. I've been calling Bitcoin longs all the way from this area. Go back in previous videos and watch. Bitcoin finally shot up like a rocket. It shot up so aggressively without any much pullbacks. In fact, if you want to trade Bitcoin, you have to go over to the lower time frame, the 4-hour time frame and lower. But now Bitcoin is at $90,000. I don't see any. Bitcoin is at a really dicey level because I'm not seeing much volume around this level. And honestly, if Bitcoin is not able to push up from this level, maybe look for a retest to go higher. This could potentially be a left head and right shoulder, and if this breaks, could send Bitcoin back all the way to 78k. So at this point in time, Bitcoin is currently at a 50-50 level. I'm going to be marking this level out somewhere like so. If Bitcoin is able to break above this level, we're looking for a test to continue the uptrend. However, if Bitcoin fails to break and comes and take out this neckline, we'll be looking for sales to the downside to the tune of about $78,000 a coin. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comment section. Do also like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Bye for now.